Guys, uzethu drank the abortion pills and by the look of things, ngelinqeda kuyibona la the recent episode, it's either uzethu uyashona noma ubaby likamva uyashona. This is so tough and I want us to talk about that and more here in this video. But before we start with the video, I would like to request you to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down the channel so that you can watch more previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Yazi ngimbone mina ephuma lapha after having a conversation noThumeka benohlala uthi nami uzethu is going straight to drink those pills. I mean, while abantu la bekhuluma nengane ngale bakhuluma angazi nento nje. This was even said by uThande on the recent episode ukuthi ayibo guys, why would you talk to uzethu ngathi ukhuluma nomuntu nje ithiwa yini birth cow, umuntu uzofanza ilingane lana and then after zale ingane bese namfo office and say sisiqedile ngawo. Uzethu understand. Why would they talk to her like that? Noma wakho seyabona lo ngcaso la cici. I mean, why would you say all of those things abekade zisho kuzethu? Uncika manje useyabuka useza uthi wena zethu ngane yami ngiyakwazi ukuthi nawe yona ingane ehluphayo, you even took care of your sister's children, awukaze wangilahla, you took care of me, you took care of this house and everything. Ubethi lo mama lo bethu zethu angakhulelwa akangajuli angabi na boyfriend akamina lo mama is so stupid. Uvela wacika on the recent episode lapho kufika khona uHlathi benoThulani. So mina mawe ufika uHlathi benoThulani bethi bafuna ukukhuluma nozethu, that is where they are going to notice something is wrong with her. But still lesidom salo mama losi siyala ukuthi bangena. Man, this woman pissed me off on this episode. But yeah guys, what I wanted to communicate with you on this video is that uzethu is in trouble and it looks like she's losing the baby. Well, I am praying and hoping ukuthi ingane be right. Kodwa ke we all know kungenzeka le ngane le ihambele so that uThumeka and the whole Mabandla family can continue hating on uzethu, because I feel like the writers are trying to make uzethu that sad, miserable girl. Wena zinto nje impilweni yakhe zihamba kahle, like always hated by her in-laws. Hey guys, this thing is stressing me out. Just comment down in the comment section, guys, about this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.